This is a story about change, where cheese is whatever you want, at work or in life, and the maze is where you look for it.
I'm saying for your sake, please try to concentrate. Okay. If you consider this as a parent class and this as a child class, the properties of this parent class, all you see, what's the problem with you?
No class.
Then what do you want? Anything other than class. Okay, fine. I'm not going to any class today. Okay, I will ask you a question. Yes, how many of you really think change is important in life? No one? I know you'll tell this answer. Then, when I see you three, I just remember three of my old students. They studied here in your place before 5 years. Their names are Honey, Bunny, and Jenny. I would like to tell you the story of those three. Would you like to listen?
Yes.
Okay.
So now let's go deep and know about students in BTech who are friends since their childhood and how they make changes in their life and what happens in their life. As college is supposed to be the most important phase in life, changes need to be accepted to make it more beautiful.
Hey, Sunny. Hi. What's up, man? Let's go to class. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, we need party.
What? This is just a habit
You got beautiful. So, hey, what beautiful? Hey, let's take a rally.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, ma'am.
How's your day? Okay. Then where did I stop yesterday?
Getting set.
Seminar.
Yeah, I remember. I thought you guys. Yes, I asked you guys to prepare for seminar on inheritance. Yes. How many of you are ready? Yeah, that's a good number. Bunny,
Ah, man.
please give the seminar.
Should I be for sure, man?
Yes, Bunny.
Okay, guys. Today we are going to discuss about.
My pumpkin, hello honey bunny. I'm your
Sorry, man. Today we are going to discuss about.
my pumpkin, hello honey bunny. I'm
Sorry, man.
What's going on there, Bunny?
Nothing, man.
What's going on there?
Nothing.
Who's calling you?
She called me first, man.
Then,
He called me.
what are you doing in the class? All of you get up. Get up. Get out from the class.
Let's go to Frozen room.
The whole course here, the students continue to enjoy and this all reflects on their routines. And now the HOD and the principal will be discussing about their routines and the principal will be very addresses about the first year routines and the outcome. So now let's see all of this in the scene.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir. Thank you, sir. May I know why did you call me?
First results are out. Have you seen them?
Yes, sir, I have seen.
What do you think about them?
They are very bad, sir. They are
Not bad, they are bad as bad.
better.
What do you think the problem with that?
I don't know, sir, what's the problem. I don't know what the problem is.
What do you suggest? Solutions are
Solution. No solution, sir.
being an HOD, don't you feel shame to say this? Even the pupils say the same answer. What is the difference between you and him? Stop nodding your head. Actually, I call you to inform about career guidance sessions. We are planning career guidance sessions. Professor from IIT will handle that. you at least take responsibility and arrange sessions properly. I need every second year and third year students should attend that session. Stop nodding your head. Yeah, you know. Responsibility for coming to the college. Leave now, what?
Due to the pressure from the higher authorities, Principal shouts on the Rachel, due to which she gets irritated. Now she in turn shouts on her students, and let's see how she reacts for this in the class and what all reflects in her.
Don't you guys have common sense to stand up when the lecturer comes into the class? Funny! Funny! What are you doing? Why are you sleeping in the class? Stand up! From the first day itself you have been in the same position. Is this the way you behave in the class? Get out from the class!
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
Will you get attendance for this?
Stupid person! What do you guys think of yourself? Have you passed even in one subject? Everyone has 1 or 2 backlogs. And the dirty principal is calling me? Am I responsible? Am I responsible for what you are doing? This is the worst version I have ever seen. Excuse me. Yeah, madam. May I come into the class? Yeah, come in. Who is this?
Yeah, I'm new student in the class. Actually, I'm a little entry student.
Oh, okay. Introduce yourself to the class.
Hi, everyone. My name is Lily, and I'm new student. Can I sit?
Yeah, please. Okay, guys, please, at least from today, please try to concentrate. Learn something. Today we have inheritance on the topic of discussion, and here, inheritance. Okay, here ends your class today. Let's continue tomorrow.
Now days passes by, all of them become good friends, and the principal brings a career counselor for counseling the students.
Good morning, guys. As you all know that the career guidance session will start from today. Today I am here to introduce Mr. Karthikeya Vilupekar. He will take over the session right now. Utilize the session as much as possible.
Hi guys, how are you? Yeah, now we are in the second year of BTech, right? So what you gonna do after BTech? Don't have clarity. You? Higher studies, nice. And you guys?
I don't have any plans in future. I live in present.
Living present, nice. Okay, actually after completing your BTech, either you can go for higher studies, or you can do job, or you can even become an entrepreneur. Okay? Guys, really you need to work a lot. The competition is very tough outside. Recently I have seen a situation where most of the students were competing for a single job, guys. Man, why are you saying it? Listen to me, man. Okay, guys. Keep your aim. Start practicing. You really need to work it hard. Okay? What? Okay, whenever you hit your aim, you should bang like this. Man.
Sir?
What?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, guys, practice well. Hit your aim. All the best. Bye.
Yes, sir.
The speech has brought a broad thought in the students, and Jenny takes it seriously and started preparing for the game from that day onwards. And Sunny will be in the dilemma and why he has don't even care for it. As the days passes and as the gate exam is nearing, even Sunny takes it seriously, never later than before he starts studying. And finally, it's the commencement of the gate exam. After the GATE exams, they stay busy with their detailed projects and days passes. GATE results are out and Jenny secures a good score in a good college and Sunny fails due to his last day's preparation. And now Jenny is very happy and she calls to all her friends.
I have to share this with my friends. Hello?
Hi, Jenny.
Hi people, do you know this news?
What?
Last interview, I
Oh.
qualified it.
Wow,
I'm so
that's
happy.
awesome, really.
Wow, we need party.
Sure, that's for sure. Definitely when I come back, I'll give for sure.
Then come
Anything you
fast.
want.
When you will come to
Well, I still have few procedures to follow, so it will take time. But definitely when I come back, I'll give for sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, people are calling. I'll call you back again. Okay?
Yeah, sure,
I'm
Jenny.
very, very happy. Bye guys.
Bye.
All friends are happy, but as Sunny did get through the GATE exam, he finally discussed and wrote very differently. In the meanwhile, his cousin Gautam enters and motivates him.
Hi Sunny, how are you? What happened, man? Something wrong with you? I can sense it, man. What happened? Come on, open up. Oh, these are the point. You don't need to bother like this, man, for that.
You said really applicable, not you.
Yeah, I know. But what the thing is, this is not the only opportunity, right? You have lots and lots of opportunities to outside world. Come on, look after them. You can crack any one of them.
I have campus placements in 1 month.
Oh, that's great. If you crack them, that will be really helpful for you.
Can you suggest me some books and references?
I think you follow data structures by Satta Sahani, and apart from that, data structures by Natsuma Cartridge. Those will be really helpful in both theoretical concepts and as well as practical concepts.
And weekend coding, can you help me?
Yeah, there are lots and lots of notebooks in my library. So if you come to my place by this weekend, we can work on that.
Surely I will come to
Not only this weekend, you can come to my place at any weekend. We can work on this. If you crack this, it will be helpful for you.
Surely I will come.
Okay. See you by this weekend. Come on, cheer up, man. Like.
With the motivation gathered by Sunny, he prepared well for the campus placement and now let's see he is attending an interview. And after the interview, Sunny cracks his interview successfully and eventually gets through it. But Bunny, as usual, doesn't even attend to the interview for the placement trials.
Excuse me, ma'am. Okay, coming.
Please come in.
You're Mr. Sunny, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Sunny, ma'am. I completed my BTech in Vista College of Engineering. I got an aggregate of 70%. I completed my intermediate in Narayana Junior College.
I've just seen your technical. They're really impressive. My motive is going on appreciating. So, what's your opinion on attitude?
Attitude means in industrial language it is optimistic. In conceptual language it
least glass half full.
Oh, really? What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is lion.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next one is lion.
Yes, ma'am.
Why only lion? Why not tiger?
Lion is fruitful and
Just say that.
lion doesn't hunt unless it feels hungry.
I think you like Discovery Channel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You will like it very much. Okay. Think you have won a car. So if I ask you for a calculator, so could you give me a time president and I will give you next week? Why?
Discipline is important.
If you won't hire you, this is
If you won't select me, your company will lose a person who believes in you.
sure.
Sure.
Pakka? Confident? You really want to work with our company?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then how could you cope up with this job?
Generally, I never feel stressed.
If you feel,
If I feel stressed, I stop the work and I go outside for 10 minutes. And after that, I come back and
good. So what are your hobbies?
my hobbies are playing cricket, watching TV, listening songs. I like music.
Sing a song for me.
వీరవాణి రాగంలో పిలిచిందో హృదయం కొత్త కొత్త ఊహలతో పిలిచిందో హృదయం
Oh, fantastic. So how much salary do you expect?
ఆఫర్ మీ
Sure. Okay, Mr. Sani, you have selected. You can work with us from tomorrow. Congrats.
Sunny cracks his interview successfully and eventually gets through. But as usual, Bunny doesn't get into the placement drive. And Lily elated and very furious that Bunny didn't attend to the interview, she just went to meet with Bunny in a park.
Hi, Sunny. Hi, Lily.
Wait, you even forgot my name, right? You know what? All your friends were settled in one another. Even I got a job. What you are thinking of yourself? And what are those expressions on your face? And why are you standing like that? You know what? I want you to get a job in next 1 week. I don't know what to do. And I'm getting out of here. Bye.
What man? What do? Job? Yes, ma'am. Meet me tomorrow. I'm busy. Meet me tomorrow. Meet me tomorrow.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
What man?
Would you provide jobs?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I am in very badly need of a job, sir.
So,
You should help me, sir.
yes, I can help you.
I am a graduate student, sir. Would you provide job for graduate student?
If you don't have graduation also, I will provide job.
I have 22 backlog, sir.
No, man, don't worry. I will manage it.
No. To which companies you provide jobs, sir?
D company, man. What?
Any company.
D.
Excuse me. My dream company is Microsoft.
Oh, nice.
Can you please send me to Microsoft, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the process?
Hello. I already told you, man. For Microsoft 5 lakhs. Amazon 10 lakhs. Intel 15 lakhs, man. Very cheap.
Sir.
5
5 lakhs is the one that I get the package when I get into company, sir.
No, man. That is commission, man.
Commission.
Commission.
Sir, I'm a
What do you mean?
student. I'm a student, sir. I could not afford you 5 lakhs, sir.
Give it or leave it. Don't touch it, please. Hello. Hello. Don't bargain with me, man. This is not a supermarket. Oh,
Sir,
what is it?
I decided to give you the money, sir.
Okay, nice.
When can I meet you, sir?
Anytime. A little bit.
Sir, can I have your number? Mine is 9143 143 143.
Nice. It's a fancy number, man.
Yes, sir. Fancy. What is your number, sir?
My number also fancy.
Yes.
9159 159 159.
Okay.
Meet me tomorrow.
And Bunny himself pleasure to meet a guy and goes to meet them the next day.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, do you remember me, sir?
Why, man?
Sir, yesterday we met here.
Again, I remember, man. I met many people yesterday.
Sir, yesterday we talked for 30 minutes, sir.
30 minutes, so what, man?
Sir, Microsoft 5 lakhs.
Ah, I remember. Where is the money?
I brought the money, sir.
Ah, okay, give it to me.
Here is the money, 5 lakhs.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay, but
how could I believe you, sir?
see, man, these are my students. I placed them, 74 students, man. See, they're contacting me. You can call me.
Sir, how could I believe you, sir?
See, man, do you remember me? Who is it?
Bill Gates.
This is my phone. Next, see,
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs.
Sir, Steve Jobs died, right?
What, man? This is photo taken before his death, man. What, man? Are you a graduate?
Okay, sir. When can I come here for jobs?
Anytime, man. I call you in 1 week. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
What, man? Don't. Why are you? What is your face? Don't look like that.
5 lakhs, sir.
Forgot this, man. Soon you will get your. See up, man. See up.
Okay.
See up.
Excuse me, sir.
What, man? What is this?
Yes, I will get my job.
Yes, I got one more batra.
And after waiting for a few days, he tries to call Thomas, but his phone is unreachable, and he realizes that he has been cheated. He feels disgust and afterwards he just starts enjoying his life as usual. The days passes by, and after 6 months, all the friends get together at their regular hangout place.
Hi, friends.
Hi, how are you people? Really excited to meet you after such a long time. How are you doing? Well, I'm really great and I'm very excited to do my second year. And Mommy, you didn't tell me anything. I think you gave some.
This topic is just a small matter.
You gave 5 lakhs to a person rush for a job.
It's just a matter of 5 lakhs.
It's not a small
Don't take it
matter.
serious.
I'm not taking it serious. You know what? You never take care of anything. You hire. Just stop it, Jenny. I just want to talk to him. You know what? From starting he is like that and he is not taking care of anything. You know, and now he have lost 5 lakhs. I know this will happen one day, and I know you take the pills.
She's pointing me like anything like you should get job, you should get job. So I was seated with a 20%.
But it's not okay, right? You have to change. You have to.
He's the guy who cheated me.
Hello.
Why don't you change? Change for you. At least change for yourself.
Initially, I am also in the same position.
Oh God, why you both of you are also pointing me? I won't change, I'll be like this.
He never changed.
And the teacher continues her class, saying all this to the students, and she gets back there, right there, into the scene.
This is the story of three friends, Sunny, Bunny, and Ginny. Now, I would like to show you students the letters which they wrote to me after they got second. I will show you them now. Balaji, you just go and get my, there will be some letters in my cabin, in a blue bag. Just get me them. They wrote to me these letters on last 2 years back. It's on Teachers' Day. I was really happy on receiving them. Now let us see.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, coming back.
మరి అంత పెద్ద స్టాక్ అవ్వలేదు.
Yeah, these are the letters which they wrote to me. Please listen to them. Firstly, I would like to read the story of Zen. Life will not be in the way always we expect. We must change accordingly. I have learned it. So, I reacted according to the situation. I developed a dream, chased it and achieved it. I joined in a reputed college and designed my life in the way I want. And now, this is the letter of Sunny. I agree. I was casual at first. I didn't take my life seriously, because of which I missed an important opportunity in my life. I told you, right? Hidden past the gate. That's the situation. Then I realized how important every single moment was and change was. With my cousin's help, I started exploring myself in a world which is not accepting me. I became the creator of my own life with strong will. At last, I settled and living my life successfully. And now, these are the feelings of Bunny. Yes, I didn't have even a single thought of change when I have everything. But what was I left with after 4 years of my college life? I lost my friends who knew me from my childhood. I lost my love who cares me more than myself. I lost everything and everyone. This was the time I came to know the importance of change and started adopting it. Now, do you really think change is important? Yes, ma'am. Yes, I know. And now let's see what happened after the Bunny change. After 3 years of hard struggle, I was born again when I got a small job in a small company. From there, I worked hard and now I'm working as psychology professor in a famous college. Now I'm happy. More importantly, I got my friends back and also my love. And now, I will ask you guys to learn something from these 3 stories. I just wanted you guys to realize yourself, or you just analyze yourself where you stand. This is really important. You get to know the importance of change in
What can teach us?
can nurture us,
But can't make us sustain.
change
Change is the essence of life.
My name is Hema.
Bunny! Bunny!